Hey there, how you doing? For those that don't know me, my name is Mike Langis. I wanted to do a short little video just to dispel a myth that's going on, and I believe, in the home business industry. I've been in this industry now for 16 years full time. Prior to this, I was a financial planner. I managed over $100 million in my practice for my clients. I had a specialization in taxation. I sold my practice at the age of 44, and I came into the home-based business industry. I got a rude awakening for the first couple of years because I thought that as a business person and an entrepreneur that I really knew how to build a business, and I thought I could apply those rules and strategies to an online business. And I was sadly mistaken. For the first few years, it was very, very difficult. What I didn't understand was I didn't understand that it's all about marketing. It's not about business opportunities. If you're in the industry for any length of time, you know that it's about that you have access to all different opportunities. What I'm finding in this industry is people don't know how to market. And when you don't know how to market, that means you have a great opportunity that nobody is seeing. And when nobody's seeing your opportunity, therefore it's really going to be really difficult to make a lot of sales. So what I want to share with you is the concept and the strategies of how to connect all of the dots in this industry so that you can do marketing, you can work from home, you can make a really nice living. We're in a recession right now. And during this recession, people are trying to desperately figure out ways of making money from home, working online, using your phone, using your computer, making a nice living. But if you get into an opportunity and nobody is seeing it, and they're asking you to go chase your friends and family or talk to people that you might know that might be, good for your business, I have learned over the years that most people that I thought would be good in my business in terms of friends and family are probably just the wrong people to be doing business with. They're great people, but the concept of doing a home business together for a lot of people is just not something that most people want to do. If you're looking for ways of building a home business, if you're looking at ways of getting a lot of leads and having it automated, using your phone and your computer and creating a nice income, having an online business, or maybe you're working right now and you want to supplement your income, I can show you how to do this. So I'm going to put together more of a video series. I don't want this to be necessarily about products per se. I want this to be about marketing. Of course, I have businesses as well that I link my marketing to, and we can certainly talk about that. But this is really about the strategy, how to market. And if you're looking for that, you really want to connect the dots. You want to figure out how you can do, for example, maybe even email marketing. Email marketing, you don't have to pick up the phone. You don't have to talk to people. You don't have to chase people. You can do email marketing. There's text marketing. You can do text marketing and email marketing. If you like to get in front of the camera and you want to do a short little video, I can show you how to do all that as well. So we have all the mechanisms in place. And I believe in providing the tools and the picks and the shovels to show people how to market online. So the things that I promote are things along those lines. Teach people how to market, how to connect the dots, how to put everything together, and how to have nice income working from home. So I don't want to make this a long video. I just want to impress upon you that this is really about marketing, and it's not about opportunities. It's not about chasing friends and family. It's about creating the infrastructure and the funnels, which is exactly what I show people how to do. And I've been doing it now in this industry for the last 16 years. I did have to learn the hard way, but I have figured it out, and I can show you how to connect those dots. So again, until next time, I want to wish you an awesome day, and I'll be back in touch with you with some more hopefully value-added material on how you can build a home business using nothing but marketing, the right types of marketing, your phone and or computer to create a nice income working from home. So have an awesome day, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.